So I'm here today sharing with you something that was sent to me, which is the Hocwell 3-in-1 charging lamp. So stick around. If you are new to this channel and would like to stay up to date on the Amazon Fire devices and other product reviews, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon and choose all notifications. So I'm going to go through some of the features of this lamp with you right now. This is a wireless charging lamp for Apple Watch, AirPod, iPhones, and Samsung phone. It's got an LCD display time and alarm clock. There's 3 colors and 5 brightness levels. And it comes with its own adapter. So, instead of having to search around, finding an adapter to go with the USB, you just go ahead and you plug it in. It comes with it already, which is really nice. I can't tell you how many times I've received an item and I don't have one of those plugs, and you got to take it from something else and then plug it into here, and this way it comes with everything that you need. You can charge 3 different devices at the same time: mobile phone, smartwatch, and AirPods. Now it does say to remove anything magnetic. Now sometimes I'm not sure if those are magnetic or not, the thing that extends your signal or not, but sometimes we do have magnetic devices or magnetic things on the back of our phone, so you just need to remove that if you're doing the wireless charging. So it's compatible with Apple AirPods Pro 2, iPhone 12, Pro, Pro Max, Max SE 11, Samsung devices, and all QI certified devices. It is not equipped with smartwatch wireless. To use your smartwatch, you would hang it on the back, and there is a USB inside the back that you would plug this into, and it just slips right in there, and then you could plug your watch into it. The desk lamp is made from ABS and polycarbonate material, and it has a foldable design, allowing you to close the lamp portion when not in use. It has 3 color selection: warm, white, and warm white, and 5 brightness level control, and also the clock, which is really nice. Now, a lot of us obviously have a clock on our computer, and we may have a watch. I don't know. It's really nice to glance over and see the time right there. It's really a nice unit. So here it is. I have it all plugged in. As you can see, it's a very, very sleek design. This part opens up right here. Is your lamp, and it has this little touch control. It's not a button, you just touch it. And there goes your light. Look how nice that is. A lot of times they say we need different light settings for reading so we don't injure our eyes. And then of course there's your brightness levels. Look at that. You just touch and hold. You just touch and hold, and there's your brightness levels. That's really nice. So if you press it again, it goes to another one. Press and hold, and look at that. It's very, very nice, very, very sleek, very well made unit. And again, just press and hold gently, and you have these different settings here. Dimmable. Who doesn't like a dimmable light? And of course, here's your clock function right here, and your clock button, your power button of course, and the wireless charging section. So I almost dropped my phone. So if you put your phone there like that, I do not have a wireless charging phone myself, but just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and use one of my phones. Use this as a stand. A lot of times we have to buy separate stands for our phone if we're looking at it or doing a live video call or something of that nature. This way you can use it as a separate stand. Now, if you're not going to be using your light, you can go ahead and turn it off, and you can close the top like that. You have this thing on the back that pops out. This is where you hang your watch right here. Inside this little compartment, there's a USB plug, and this is where you would plug in your charger to charge your watch or even your phone if you would like to. Everything is right here, compact, in this gorgeous light. This is very, very nice, a very sleek design. I really, really like it a lot. You know what? This is a really nice addition to all of my stuff on my desk and my life. So I'm gonna really enjoy this. Just like I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. And remember, be safe out there, share a smile. It just might make someone's day. Thank you so much for stopping by.